I am so excited to talk to you today about this new amazing feature being rolled out on Pinterest. And this is going to become your new secret weapon when it comes to your Pinterest marketing efforts. Now, a lot of people are talking about optimizing your content for Pinterest and really getting the most out of your keywords. But you may have noticed that recently some keywords have disappeared. So we call this guided search, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's hop in. So you can see here on my screen that this is my home feed. So if I go to my home feed and I put in baby shower outfits, you can see here that guided search allows me to see what the top keyword phrases that are being used on Pinterest to find baby shower outfits. Amazing, right? But here's the bad thing. That guided search function is being removed for a lot of industries or niches. So I have a secret weapon for you. Pinterest recently rolled out a feature called Pinterest Trends. And this isn't just a replacement of keyword research, but actually it's a little bit more powerful because it allows you to understand and predict particular trends depending on the time of year. And as a marketer or a business owner who's looking to better utilize audience insights and Pinterest in particular, Pinterest Trends is going to become your new secret weapon. So I want to give you a little mini tutorial on trends. So you're going to go to analytics and you're going to hit trends. Now you can see here that you can pick different countries, US, Canada, and the UK. So I love to always pick the US because my people are in the US. Now you can see here that Pinterest is actually predicting some things right now that are trending. Backyard movie nights. We're seeing home screen aesthetics and wallpaper. Here for the booze, Halloween is just around the corner. And if you've got it, haunt it, fall wedding ideas. So they are actually prompting you to understand what's currently trending. So you can see more about that down here, and I love it. So depending on your niche, so they're letting you know what's trending in fashion, food and drink, beauty, home, travel. This is incredibly important as a savvy business owner to understand when certain things go viral on Pinterest, because it actually also becomes a powerful tool for your content that you're sharing on Instagram, Facebook, even on your blog. You want to think about how early you need to get your content out to be able to get the right amount of time so that it actually is indexed and appears in search for people on Google and Pinterest as well. So what I want to do is just show you how this works. So let's look up, let's look up baby outfits because I used that example earlier. So you can see that Pinterest is predicting the top searched phrases that are used on Pinterest. So we see baby shower outfits, baby it's cold outside baby shower ideas. That's interesting because that's related directly to the winter. Baby boy outfits, country, baby elephant, shower ideas. So let's put in baby shower outfit. So we can see that this is at the top of its height of its popularity from January to about March, and then it drops down. So it's going to show you how it did over the last year. And what's really great for when you're planning your content is to look at related terms. So you can see how related terms, you can overlay it and see how they do in comparison to your original term. But this is also giving you your keyword phrases that you need to consider when you're thinking about your text overlay on your Pinterest graphics, static images or video, your pin titles, your pin descriptions. Think about all those places that you can make keyword rich to help your ideal customer find and connect with your content. So this is an incredibly powerful tool. And not just that, but that you also down below can get an idea for popular pins. So Pinterest is also going to tell you what is popular in that industry or niche. And so this will give you an idea about the types of images that do well, the words that they use and associated with those images. So this is incredibly powerful for you. And I promise you, if you begin to use this new feature, it's going to help you optimize your content, get in front of more customers, more of your ideal audience, and help connect your content to the right people. You are identifying who and what this content is relevant to, so Pinterest knows who to show it to. Why wouldn't you want to do that, right? So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. I would love to know what niche or industry you are in and how you are planning for the next few months to make sure that your content is being found by the right people on Pinterest. And remember, this little feature is a hack for other social media channels as well, to understand when trends are coming up so that you can get your products and services and content in front of the right people with ample time. Okay, have a great day. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel to continue to learn more about how to use Pinterest to grow your audience, profit, and impact. Make sure you check out my other links below. I'm always looking to find out who wants to learn about Pinterest so that I can better help you. Okay, talk to you later.